Hey guys, so Xiaomi is actively teasing the Mi 11. We have seen the official teaser, we know the main specifications. Now what you are seeing is the hands-on look to the special edition Xiaomi Mi 11. So there are total of 4 colors coming in. We may see black, white, smoke purple and blue. This one here is smoke purple, which has leather finish which won't attract fingerprint and is of course special edition, gonna be expensive for sure. So you can see the leather finish looks nice and we have a squarish circular camera design with two huge cameras, a 108 megapixel main camera and a telephoto lens with 30x zoom and a super wide angle camera which doubles as macro camera. Xiaomi is likely using HM2 or HM3 from Samsung and I hope they fix the camera problems we all had in the Xiaomi Mi 10. The front design has curved display and the bezels are really thin and the curve are not subtle at all. This one is 12GB variant and runs Qualcomm's 888 5G CPU at 2.84 GHz. That's the max out clock speed. Yeah, we saw the official Geekbench scores and they all look good. We heard some rumors that Xiaomi may ship the Mi 11 with MIUI 12.5, but this unit shows it running MIUI 12, so maybe the retail units will ship with the new software. Some mind-blowing official specifications coming in. The Mi 11 will feature Gorilla Glass 7 Victus, so they are using latest and greatest display protection, which is impressive. Xiaomi is saying this is gonna be the best display you have ever seen. They are joining hands with Samsung, so the colors, brightness, all are gonna be awesome. Xiaomi also shared a video sample shot using the Mi 11 and it shows the new dynamic night mode which automatically detects the lighting condition and shoots accordingly. Xiaomi is saying we are using artificial intelligence and deep learning which is gonna shoot some amazing images and videos. So this is exciting for sure guys. 120Hz fluid display, LPDDR5 RAM with the latest Qualcomm's 888 5G CPU. We may see DDR4 in the 8GB variant, so pick the best one if you can. For those waiting for the Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro, we are not seeing any huge leaks, so maybe they'll launch it with the Xiaomi Mi 11 and sell it in Jan or Feb. That one is coming with exciting new features like quad curved display, 50 megapixel OmniVision sensor and 120 watts fast charging. So this all guys, thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe for latest information. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.